Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. How are you? How are you? How's everything? How's your trading going on today? Um, and as you all know, today is a big day for the traders. There will be a huge volatility in the market. So, all you have to do is this type of market, right? Whenever you have this kind of market, you have to be very careful while doing trading, right? Because that is where a lot of thing depends. Right? So we will start in I started already. I just looking for a couple more things in terms of Bitcoin, right? So if you see here what Bitcoin is doing yesterday, if you see, we see a insane rally in the Bitcoin. It started from 90 and reach up to 94 level. So if you see in my previous video, which was yesterday, right, I kind of mentioned that over 4 hours, I do see that Bitcoin can reach up to 94K, which it did. But the problem with this rally is it went directly to 94 without taking any uh, pullbacks, right? And pullbacks are necessary in the market, and pullback should be healthy. So when I say pullback should be healthy, those pullbacks should not be in this form the way it went, right? However, if it is going this way, this is nice, right? Going up down, like this kind of rally. So if it is going the ladder structure, then only, like the rally should be there, which will be a trustworthy rally, right? It's not like if it is just going directly like this, then it's not, right? So if we started to go according to our daily, right? So look at daily what exactly it was doing. So we see a lower low. We are seeing a lower low. We see one of them, the 74. To be very true, the market should retrace this 74K. Without that, I'm thinking the Bitcoin cannot go back to 126, right? And why I'm saying that, because you see the lower low, and right now it's again a consolidation. You see this, how the concept. So it's, look at this, how it is working. It created a higher high structure, and then look at this, higher high, higher low, right? And then again higher low, and then again higher low. So now the thing is, this point, if it's unable to cross this 96 658, right? So if Bitcoin is unable to cross 96 958, then there are chances that we can see another lower low, which is 74K, right? So uh, that is what I'm thinking it's gonna do. And this is important to understand, right? So this is what I'm hoping. This It's gonna do the same thing for sure. And now the only thing is when it will gonna do. Maybe it's day after, maybe not today, right? Because from past three, if I see, like past three FOMC rate decision cut, the market does not react the same day. However, I usually see a good reaction on next day, right? So that is what I'm assuming. Even though we have FOMC rate decision today, but I'm hoping that it's not gonna do anything today. It's gonna be tomorrow, right? So we will see some reaction maybe tomorrow. right? So okay, let's come back to our our Bitcoin analysis. So as I said, we always start from daily. So daily we already have 126K, right? And after that, if you keep watching what Bitcoin is doing is this is the point where we see a higher high, right? And then after that, the structure has changed completely, right? So this higher high, then again, it's this is another second another high, and then this is third another high, and looks like this would be the fourth one. So if Bitcoin unable to cross this will be another higher high. If Bitcoin unable to retrace back to 96,000, then I'm hoping it's gonna definitely coming back to 74 and 697, right? Because now the structure has changed from higher high to higher low. So um, this is another point where look at this. This is higher high, higher low, and then another higher low, and then this is another higher low. So that's what I'm saying. If it's unable to cross this particular level, right? I mean, above 96, or I mean, this is the last, right? 96 is the last, right? If it's able to cross this 96, then we can see a good momentum in the Bitcoin. Otherwise, the Bitcoin is heading towards 74 and 697. Yes, this is my target for next couple of days. If Bitcoin unable to hold this value, right? So let me. This is the order block it came, right? So after daily, this order block it helps, right? This is the order block is holding right now the market, and then we have this is fair value gap, right? One fair value gap, second fair value gap, and third. So three fair value gaps are there in the market, and I'm hoping the market should retrace back to this level, because this level has tapped once already. This, you see this tapping, this is done already, right? So 74K, one more time the market should come back to 74K, right? And if we can see, if we try to look at our analysis, then if I draw a trend line, that it is following this trend line too, right? And it is rejecting right before this trend line. So this is a broader outlook. This is a broader outlook on our Bitcoin analysis so far, right? So let me take care of this one, right? Let this trend line be there, so it will help us in analysis. Okay, now today what Bitcoin is doing, let's go back to our daily analysis, what we do, right? Because that's how we figured out whether we should. So this is the high, it it able to catch in the market, right? And this is low for today, 89,515. And one more trend line which is saving the market right now is this. So market is stuck between basically this trend line and this horizontal line right above it, right? Now if I come back over 4 hours, right now the selling is keep coming after making a new high, right? The selling. So the good thing is it's able to break this particular order block. Actually, this order block basically started from 96, so it has to break the 96,000 level. It should supposed to, but it couldn't. It failed. It could not survive after 94,550, which is a major order block over 4 hours. So if I show you a 4 hour, then things will be more clear to you, uh, right? So if I go back to 4 hour, look at this 4 hour. this order block. I'm talking about this order block. This order block is the one which is stopping market right now. This is a major order block sitting right over here, and it tapped that order block and then market rejected again, right? So if somehow market is able to uh, retrace and break this, only then I can trust that Bitcoin gonna go more up, right? Otherwise we can see another fall, or either take help of this trend line to go up. Otherwise we will see a major fall back in the Bitcoin, and that will be up to 74K for sure. Maybe by end of December, or 2 days, or more depend on the news, right? So that's how the market works. So today, as I said, the daily was red, and 4 hour is also started to get uh, first red, right? So look at this. The daily was red, and the 4 hour is converting to red. So 91,768. That is what I'm thinking the market should revisit. Let me create one line right over here, and this will be green line, right? Because that is where I think the market is make a small another low, and then try to retracing it back, right? So if I say, so this is the only support right now. This is a 4 hour level support, which is 91 and 745. So now if I go back to our 2 hour time frame, right? Again, this is a support right over here, because two of the wicks are meeting point. This is a 2 weeks meeting point, and then we go back to 1 hour. That's how we break it down, right? Slowly. So things will be more clear to now. As I said, like this is about 90,573. That is our order block sitting right over here. We will see some kind of buy if the market come back to 95.73. Right now it just these two big candles were there, right, or the 2 hours. It is trying to eating up all those. So beer has already entered in the market, and they keep is selling it, right? And 91,745 is the only level which we will see again reaction maybe. Now if I go back to 30 minutes time frame, again this is the same level. And then if I go back to 15 minutes, let's see what market is doing in 15 minutes. So this is all fair value gap the market has maintained right over here, right? And right now the market is sitting at this is like in a this is a buyer and a seller zone. This is a mid of this particular buying level came, right? So if I wanted to buy, I would definitely love to buy this market from here, this order block. Wait for this order block to tap. Right, and the stop loss will be definitely 90,025. So either you enter here, or if you want to take a less risk, then enter over here, right? So 90,000, right? So the best thing is, I think this should be wait for the BTC retrace zone. This is our retrace zone, right? To open long position, which is starting from 90,800 to 90,500. So 90,600. And as always, as always, maintain your position. You have to maintain the position, and the leverage is whenever you are buying any position. And also I have mentioned in my Discord link that uh, BTC open long only from 9600, right? I put it in the chat as well, and I have information on my Discord as well. I comes every morning at 6:30 a.m. To find out the target on the BTC, right? And I'm putting this information in my Discord channel as well, which is free for now for first 100 users. BTC, the only buy zone I see from 9500. So plan your day. Stop loss as always 100 points. Leverage 5x max. All right. So and now, like, let's watch more what it is doing in 5 minutes, right? So if 5 minute, again it retraces back 91.7756. I see some 91 and 200. There is a one more order block. I mean, this is a good order block, but I am hoping this is our another order block where the market is coming, because then it's a fair value gap. That is in 5 minutes. So this is a 5 minute order block. I mean, it's all depend. You want to do it from 5 minute order block or 15 minute order block, right? If I see 15 minutes, then uh, this is a good order block. So let me do one thing. Let me 90,200. So 90,200 is good level. Uh, what I can do is text. I don't know where it got pasted. So let's have a text, put it here, and then this, and move this. And your stop loss 91,200. Sorry, 91. 91,200 stop loss 90k. Simple, right? So, and the short will be from this. So which side you are interested, right? The short is too far right now. The liquidity sitting right here, right? So 9200 is a buy zone, right? And short again 94,000. 94 600, right? So but I'm hoping this will reject it before this time, so not even 90,000, I guess. It's all depend where it will, where we have low volume or a high volume. So all we need to wait is short again 94,000. So that's what it says, right? Over 5 minutes, right? That's what my thought and analysis on Bitcoin. If you try to get into the middle, then you will definitely tapped. All right, so I have defined the target, but if we want over 1 minute, if now let's see over 1 minute. So what I can do is over 1 minute also, like these are the targets. I'm pretty sure right now it is trying to retracing. It has shown some support right over here, 91 cent 50, but it is going down. Just for a test, I can do this. I can open one sell short, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be positive, right? The position is open. Let's see how it goes, because this is a equilibrium zone where it is trying to create some type of support, right? The better buy is from 91,931. So let's see. Always look for the bigger time frame, right? That's what important is. So you can see I open one short position, quick short, right? And we will start to see results right away, because I'm pretty sure like it's gonna retrace back to 91 to 93 for sure. I mean, the first retracement is up to 745, and then next retracement will be this. So let me again make sure it's visible for all the users. Yeah, and I will be back in a minute. Hey guys, I'm back. So as I said, I read the market well and then took a trade right over here. Currently, the position is already in a plus, so we can close this position. Uh, 343, 436, right? This was a very quick trade. So that's important, right? The study of market is important, and that's how that's how you can always be profitable. Let's close this position right over here, right? So it was a quick trade, and I'm gonna share again this trade on my Discord. So that's how I can show you, right? I mean, that's how. So that's how we can do in the market, and I'm pretty sure the market is gonna retrace back to 91 to 93. It's just a matter of waiting right over here, right? Today's FOMC morning market will be like this, and then I'm hoping we will see some kind of good volatility in the market. All right, guys. So so that's what my prediction in the entire day. Hope you have got it. If you are trying to enter in the middle of the market, you will be trapped, so better not to. Make sure you have these two targets in your mind, and then you are opening your position. All right, guys. So that's all I can say. I mean, nothing much to say for today. So keep the targets in the mind and do your trading, guys. I must say happy trading. I will be back. I'll back. I will find out what time. I have my Discord link given already. You can join there. I given multiple trade alerts in entire day. So that is where you can see all the alerts. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day and happy trading day.